Hi, this is Andrew from ASUS. If you're currently on the fence about whether or not to add another one or two of these routers to build an AI mesh multi-hub system for your home, it means your residence must be rather large or complex, and you desire more freedom to move about without internet connection issues. One of the most enticing reasons for upgrading to an AI mesh system has got to be seamless roaming. Some of you might not have encountered this, but if your router and extenders have different SSIDs, your Wi-Fi connection needs to be disconnected and then re-established every time you move out of range from one network device and approach a different one. Quite often, I just want to make a video call and be able to walk around the house without getting cut off. Let me show you what I mean. On the left, you'll see the setup which drove me mad. There's the router paired with a repeater, and on the right is the new AI mesh system you'd be mad not to get. Ah, perfect timing. Showtime.
Hi, darling. I just got here at the hotel with my friends. Can I talk to the kids?
AI mesh with seamless roaming makes your life easy. This is Andrew from ASUS. Thank you for watching.
Introducing Google Wi-Fi, a new kind of system designed to keep up with how we use Wi-Fi today, from playing to streaming to video calling. Here's how it works. You simply replace your existing router with a Google Wi-Fi point, or points if you have a larger home. These points work together with your current modem and internet service to provide fast, seamless Wi-Fi for your whole home. Google Wi-Fi is set up and controlled through a mobile app that gives you a host of features for simple, straightforward access to your network, no matter where you are. Like letting you see which devices are connected at any one time, or giving you parental control. So if it's time for dinner or time for bed, you can give them a little time off. It lets you easily find and share your Wi-Fi password with guests, and even allows you to prioritize a specific device for faster speeds, so the important stuff never gets interrupted. And Network Assist technology works in the background to make sure you always get the fastest possible speeds. It takes care of things like Wi-Fi channel selection. High traffic on the channel you're using can slow down your Wi-Fi speed. Google Wi-Fi constantly monitors to make sure you're on the least congested channel. And when you're moving from room to room, it makes sure you're connected to the closest Wi-Fi point and the strongest, fastest signal. It will even let you know if you can improve Wi-Fi performance by moving a Wi-Fi point to a better location. Designed for your home's complex Wi-Fi needs, yet simple to control. Google Wi-Fi. Home Wi-Fi simply solved.
With Nova at home, everything works perfectly. More discoveries, more sharing, moving closer. Introducing the Nova MW3 AC 1200 whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. Simple and easy to install, no more tangled wires. The MW3 reaches those annoying dead spots, so you'll never miss those important moments. It's no longer a headache for visiting friends who can experience the same lag-free, high-speed Wi-Fi. Oops. This happens when the signal is too good. Hold on, the kid's addicted to the internet?
Are you still up?
No problem for parents when you have the Tenda Wi-Fi app.
It's time to sleep.
The MW3, the best value whole home mesh Wi-Fi system.
Mesh units interconnect with each other, and every one of them acts as AP in a whole package. Patented internal antennas make this highly efficient even through floors. In traditional single-hop networking, signals only flow to the superconnected AP, so signals get weaker and weaker. And with mesh, we can make the most use of bandwidth and no worries about signal loss. As you walk around the house, your phone always automatically connects to the best Wi-Fi signals. It's a patented technology called TouchLink. You touch the top with your phone or hand, and you activate the TouchLink SSID to get connected without password.
Add smartness and connectivity to your home with a powerful mesh Wi-Fi router that also works as a SmartThings hub. SmartThings Wi-Fi delivers an optimized Wi-Fi signal to every corner of your home and connects to a wide range of compatible devices so they can work together. Using Plume's adaptive home Wi-Fi technology, SmartThings Wi-Fi improves in real time, giving you the fastest connections possible. No more dead spots, slow spots, drop-offs, or buffering. SmartThings Wi-Fi expands with your needs, giving corner-to-corner coverage up to 4,500 square feet, and understands which devices need the strongest signal. So there's always Wi-Fi where you need it most. Make SmartThings Wi-Fi the brain of your smart home when you set it up as a SmartThings hub. Connect with cameras, lights, locks, thermostats, sensors, and more. SmartThings Wi-Fi is simple to install and easy to use. Monitor, control, and automate your smart home from anywhere with the SmartThings app or voice assistants. Personalize who gets on your Wi-Fi network for how long and what they can do. Measure the speed of your connections, create schedules for when devices can access the internet, and much more. SmartThings Wi-Fi. Add smartness and connectivity to your home.